If you're a homeowner in Richmond Hill, Ontario, or planning to become one, I've got some exciting updates for you on the latest real estate market trends for September 2023. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be sharing some hidden opportunities that you can take advantage of. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling, let's dive in. In the month of September, there was 2.3 months of supply available in Richmond Hill, which keeps things in perspective, firmly in a seller's market territory. And what does that mean? Months of supply tell you how many months it would take for the home currently on the market to sell. Given the average sales volume, 4 to 6 months of inventory indicates more of a balanced market. Less than 4 months means there's not a lot of inventory available, and more than 6 months supply means there's a lot of properties on the market. The average selling price for a home in Richmond Hill, $1,442,532. But keep in mind the average price is across all areas. So the average price is down 10.7% from the same time last year, but it's up 4.7% versus last month. So while it may seem that prices are stabilizing, in my opinion, it could be that there's such low inventory in September that it drove prices up a bit. List to sale price ratio. Moving along, the average list to sale price ratio is 102% in September, which means that properties are selling for 102% of list price. So just above asking. That's up from 97% last month, but down from a whopping 115% last year. Now, if you're looking at the stats, you've got to keep in mind that it has a lot to do with strategy as sellers use when they're listing their property. A year ago, everyone underpriced their home, was enticing bidding wars. Nowadays, people are pricing their homes closer to the amount they really want, and also trying their best to even price a bit higher so they can get to what they're looking for. It's on the market. Now you're wondering, how long does it take to sell properties? Or how long does it take for the property to sell? On average, in September, Richmond Hill is taking about 30 days to sell a property. That's trending downwards from last month, which was about 34 days. On average, but obviously up from last year, which it was only taking 9 days. So just so you know, if you're planning to sell your home, it's going to take you a bit longer. So be prepared for that. Interest rates. Now that's a hot topic. And for all of us know that this has been fluctuating up and down, but the last couple of months, interest rate hasn't moved. However, the rates are also pretty high right now, which may be causing more and more people to take a wait-and-see approach. Overall, what do you think is happening in September? I think it's a bit too early to call because trends have changed quite drastically. You know, we were low at the start of the year. In May, we had like the hottest market. So while prices are still very competitive, and if you are looking to buy, it's still a great time for you to buy. But what I would say is know what your position is and know your story. And if you find someone who's good and can help you understand what your numbers look like, then it's a great time to buy a home. So the bottom line is, whether you're buying or selling, your situation is unique. A general market update should be taken with a grain of salt, and it should not be the bottom line for you to make a decision. If you want an accurate market analysis for your home, or you're thinking of buying and you want to know where the hidden opportunities lie, then either request a free, no obligation market evaluation or book a call with me to have a conversation about your options. I always will give you the straight goods on the information, and for you to make the best decision for you. Click the link in the video below. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or any other platform that you use the most.